These are our spooky Halloween labels. These do not come together in a pack. However, they are just our options for Halloween, and you can order them together. Fall is quickly coming, and these stickers are a great way to celebrate. All these labels are 2.5 inches in size, and each roll has 4 different Halloween spooky designs on it. There are 100 labels on each roll. They really are all great and quite unique. The labels are made out of a semi-gloss material and an eco-friendly ink. The adhesive backing is very strong, but it is also apparel safe, so that it can be placed on fabrics and will not leave a sticky film on the material. Order $50 or more to qualify for our free U.S. ground shipping. Also, if you order before 1 o'clock p.m. Mountain Standard Time, we will ship it out to you the same day. Thanks!